He and I talk all the time. He is a Eurasian eagle owl. Their species is the second largest owl in the world. They are from Europe and Asia. The reason we have him is when we go and do programs, the kids would always ask, well, what about Africa, Europe, Asia? Do they have to have clean water and trees and all of that? And I'm like, well, of course. We do this all around the world. And they go, do you have any animals from there? No, we do not. No, we do. So this is Denver. We bought him with the help of a grant from Denver, Colorado, hence the name Denver. They did ask if we could help with that. His two trademarks are his orange eyes and his striping goes vertical. Now, he weighs a little over 5 pounds. And he has a wingspan of over 5 feet. The tufts on his head have nothing to do with his hearing. They just make him look meaner. Is truly what they're there for. Yeah, and you can take pictures and